Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna show you how to remove the factory plastic drop-in bed liner on your Ford F-150 or Super Duty. It's gonna be the same between those two trucks. Let's get started. All right, this is a pretty simple demonstration. It's just two pieces of hardware that need to be removed, and then it's a simple just prying it out of the box. Now, why would you want to remove one of these? If maybe if you want to put in a drop-in bed mat, or you're getting a spray liner put in or something like that, you just don't want this. This is kind of a slippery type of a bed liner. It works well, it looks nice and all of that, but maybe there's a better upgrade that you want to put in the bed of the truck like we're going to be doing. So we're going to go ahead and remove that now. Okay, first, right here behind this little pillar right here, there's a little plug, just needed to be pried out. Like most of these Christmas tree clips, you're probably going to end up destroying it, taking it out. The passenger side, I'm going to save some time and just cut this guy off. Now, we pop that out. With those plugs removed, we're going to go ahead and just lift up here at the center point. Now that it's loose, you can remove it, either pull it out or off the side, whatever works for your particular setup. Now, if your truck is 4 years old and has never seen the light of day, underneath that bed liner, run it through a car wash or something like that, like I'm gonna do. We're also gonna be putting in a structural load floor in our pickup truck, so if you're interested in that video, be sure to check it out. That just about does it. If you're looking for any equipment for your truck or van to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Got the products you need to make it ready for work. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.